Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Today we are launching a new series for the upcoming UPSC and State PSC exam, which is a top 20 MCQs based on the schemes and portals of the government. So let's start beginning with the first question. Consider the following statements regarding the e-Kuber. Statement A, it is a core banking solution of Reserve Bank of India which was introduced in 2012. Second statement, it can be accessed either through Infinet or Internet. Here statement A and B both is correct, but the question is asking for the choose the incorrect option. So option A none, because both the statement is correct. Now moving to our second question, choose the correct option for the mission Purvodaya. Option A, it is a accelerated development mission of steel sector in Eastern India. Option B, development of new technologies during HIV/AIDS in north-eastern part of country. Option C, a new water highway in northeast of India. Option D, making of a new port of India in eastern part of India. Here the option A is correct. Mission Purvodaya is an accelerated development mission of steel sector in eastern India. Next, which one of them was not launched by the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer? Option A, प्रधानमंत्री भारतीय जन औषधि परियोजना. Option B, plastic park scheme. Option C, Sudha scheme. Option D, mega food park scheme. And the correct option is option D, mega food park scheme was not launched by the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer, but mega food park scheme is launched by Ministry of Food Processing. Moving to our fourth question, to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all is given under option A, Sustainable Development Goal 4, option B, SDG 6, option C, SDG 8, option D, SDG 10, and the correct option is option A, Sustainable Development Goal 4. Fifth question, SAGE initiative and SAGE portal for elderly persons have been launched by option A, Ministry of Home Affairs, option B, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, option C, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, option D, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and the correct option is option C. SAGE stands for Senior Care Aging Growth Engine. Moving to our sixth question, which ministry has launched the Santusht portal? Option A, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pension. Option B, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Option C, Ministry of Education. Option D, Ministry of Labour and Employment. And the correct option is option D. Ministry of Labour and Employment has launched the Santusht portal. Pratapi portal was launched by Pratapi stands for Payment Ratification and Analysis in Power Procurement for bringing transparency in invoicing of generators. Option A, Ministry of Finance. Option B, Ministry of Power. Option C, Ministry of Coal. Option D, Ministry of Railways. And the correct option is option B, Ministry of Power has launched the Pratapi portal. Next question, the project Chaman is funded by option A, Ministry of Environment and Climate Change. Option B, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Option C, Ministry of Finance. Option D, Ministry of Education, and the correct option is option B, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare has launched the project Chaman. Next, which one of them has launched a Sophisticated Analytical and Technical Help Institute scheme or Sathi scheme? Option A, Ministry of Science and Technology. Option B, Ministry of Education. Option C, Ministry of Textile. Option D, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and the correct statement option is option A, Ministry of Science and Technology has launched the Sathi scheme. Next, in which state the Kudumb Shri program has been launched? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Goa. Option C, West Bengal. Option D, Sikkim. And the correct option is option A, Kerala has launched the Kudumb Shri program for the self-help group for the women. Next, which one of them is not correct regarding the National Supercomputing Mission? First statement, it was announced in 2015 with the aim to connect national academic and research and development institutions with a grid of more than 70 high-performance computing facilities at an estimated cost of 500 crores over the period of 7 years. Yes, first statement is correct. Second, first supercomputer under the National Supercomputing Mission is Param Sivai has been inducted in IIT BHU Varanasi in 2019. Yes, second statement or option is also correct. Third, its long-term plan is to build 20,000 skilled person over the next 5 years. Yes, third statement or option is also correct. So last one is incorrect because the mission is being implemented by only by the Department of Science and Technology is incorrect because the mission is implemented by the Department of Science and Technology and Ministry of Information and Electronics and CDAC Pune and ISC Bengaluru. Moving to our next question, I got Karm Yogi platform was launched by option A Education Ministry, option B Home Ministry, option C Finance Ministry, option D Niti Aayog. And the correct option is option A. Education Ministry has launched the I Got Karm Yogi platform on its Diksha portal. Next, which ministry has launched the Suraksha portal to curb the elephant-human conflicts? Option A Ministry of Environment, option B Ministry of Commerce and Industry, option C Ministry of Rural Development, option D Ministry of Railways, and the correct option is option A. Ministry of Environment has launched the Suraksha portal to curb the elephant and human conflicts. Which one of the state has launched the URISE Unified Reimagine Innovation for Student Empowerment Portal or URISE portal? Option A Himachal Pradesh, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Himachal Pradesh, option D Madhya Pradesh, and the correct option is option B. Uttar Pradesh has launched the URISE portal. Next question, consider the following statements regarding the Swatantrata Sainik Samman Yojana. Option or statement first, it is being implemented by Ministry of Home Affairs. Statement first is correct. Second, it is monthly Samman pension to the freedom fighter, those who have participated in the national freedom movement. Yes, second statement is correct. So option B both is correct. Next, which one of them is the nodal ministry to administer the Wan Dhan Yojana? Option A Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, option B Ministry of Tribal Affairs, option C Ministry of Commerce and Industry, option D Ministry of Home Affairs, and the correct option is option B. Ministry of Tribal Affairs has launched the Wan Dhan Yojana for the tribal people. Next, the Eklavya Model Residential School comes under option A Ministry of Education, Ministry of Finance, option C Ministry of Tribal Affairs, option D Ministry of Home Affairs, and the correct option is option C Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Next, which institution or body or ministry has launched the Electoral Literacy Club to strengthen the culture of electoral participation among young and future voters? Option A Ministry of Education, option B Election Commission of India, option C Niti Aayog, option D UNESCO, and the correct option is option B Election Commission of India. Satyabhama portal has been launched by option A Ministry of Mines, option B Ministry of Commerce and Industry, option C Ministry of Science and Technology, option D Ministry of Rural Development, and the correct option is option A Ministry of Mines has launched the Satyabhama portal. Satyabhama stands for Science and Technology Yojana for Atmanirbhar Bharat in mining advancement. So option A Ministry of Mines is correct. Last question or next question, which ministry has started the Nistha initiative? Option A Ministry of Education, option B Ministry of Home Affairs, option C Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions, option D Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and the correct option is option A Ministry of Education has launched the Nistha initiative for the teachers training. Thanks.